have a virtual assistant in the Philippines called John, aka Jolo. And Jolo picks up the phones. I'm looking at how convincing he is in his phone calls, because really, to be convincing, you need conviction. And he needs that conviction in his voice.
He does magic tricks for the kids, just to get them amazed that he has superpowers or something.
So it sounds with this one, we have to have magic tricks and get them amazed, but there's no, when you say the word amazed, it has to sound amazing. When they do these magic tricks, it's really amazing because the children are just at the front, just gasping at how they did these tricks. Just a little fake laugh in there, just to get a little bit more body into that conversation.